This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derek Baumgartner. 3-bed 2-bath 2-car garage villa on natural preserve. Open floor plan with high ceilings, crown molding, large tile floors in main living area, wood tile floors in master and wood laminate in guest rooms. Open kitchen concept with maple cabinets, glass accent doors, center island prep table, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and high-at lighting. Spacious master bedroom with walk-in closet, master bath has Roman tub, separate shower and dual sinks. Extended screen patio with private hot tub 2018 looks out to beautiful private preserve. Carrier AC 2014, water heater 2013. Willoughby Cay is a gate community conveniently to shopping, restaurants, downtown Stuart, beaches and boat ramps, I-95, Turnpike for easy commuting. Low HOA fee only $225 per month. The house has surge protection and we're for more information. Review the details below or contact Derek Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.